Hello guys, today we are going to another practice diagram exercise in AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD you want to go to in I want to close the ribbon. Close. Yeah. Now let's start this. First take a point at a distance of 100 comma 100 100 comma 100. So enter. So the point is located at here, and take a circle from this base point. This is a base point, so from this the first circle radius is 30. Again circle same base point with a radius of 38. Again circle, sorry, again circle the same base point with a radius of 46. So we have three circle, and okay, let taking x line from this is an base point on x-axis at 0 degrees, on y-axis at 90 degrees. So we're having x lines, and I am taking circle again from this is an base point with an radius of 5, and again I am taking array tool. I am selecting the object by using this array. Again I am taking array, I am taking array tool. I am selecting object and click on enter. It's a polar array and it is a midpoint. So we having 6. We want 8, so click just enter I plus enter. So number of circles is 8. So we are having 8 circles. Enter, and there is another point which is located on x direction from this point. The distance is 32. That is, I am taking point again a point from this point to 100 on x direction. It is 32. That is 132 on x direction, and on y direction it is 155. So the point is located is here. Similarly, there is another point located at one is 100 minus 35 on x-axis, that is 68 on x-axis, and 100 minus 55, that is 45 on y-axis. So the another point is located at here. So I am taking circle command, this base point, the radius of the circle is 10. Again circle, here also same radius with the same circle, and again circle. There is another small circle inside this circle with a radius of 7. So similarly, so actually the radius of this circle is not 10, it is 14 actually. Circle, and 14 is the radius. Yeah, this is correct. And taking circle, first circle radius is 7, and second circle radius is 14. So now I am taking an tangent radius by using circle, and TTR, that is tangent radius, first tangential and second tangential. This radius is 10. So enter, and similarly here also circle for TTR, first tangent and second tangent, radius is 10. So this, there is line, I am using line command from this midpoint to this midpoint, and similarly this side also again line command from this midpoint to this midpoint. And I want to be remove excess portions in all the circles, so I am using trim, double enter, removing the unwanted portions. So I am removing the unwanted excess portions. So the gasket is completed. So next, dimensions in terms of radius. So this one, the text size is small, so I am changing the dimension style. Modify text size, it is 5, and symbols and arrows it is 4. Okay, set current, close, and again diameter radius, this one, and again diameter radius, this one. So diameter radius from this is better to write, yeah. And again diameter radius of these circles, again another radius to the circle, and finally okay, these are the required gasket with the required dimensions.